In this video, we are asked to rewrite the quadratic equation x squared plus 6x plus 20 in the form bracket open x plus a bracket close raised to the power 2 plus b. Questions like these they are common with the Cambridge IGCE additional mathematics and similar additional mathematics examination. Right? What we need to do here is to simply factorize the equation as much as possible while leaning towards achieving bracket open x plus an integer bracket close raised to the power 2 plus another integer. Without further ado, let's dive right into the solution. How to factorize this equation using completing the square method? We need to introduce a number into this equation here, an integer into this equation here, a positive integer, such that when we multiply two numbers together, two numbers that we'll look for now, we will have the number we're introducing, and we'll add them together, we'll have 6. Now, to achieve that third number here, which is the integer, we can simply divide the coefficient of x here, which is 6. We divide it by 2, and whatever we have, we'll take the square of that value. Divide 6 by 2, you have 3. If you square that value, you have 9. So we're going to introduce 9 into this equation, because if we add 3 plus 3, it will give us 6. And if we multiply 3 times 3, it will give us 9. So 9 is a perfect number for us to achieve the completed square method in factorizing this equation. However, we can't bring 9 into this equation without altering the initial concept of this equation. How we bring 9 in is to simply record that 20, we know that 20 is equal to 9 plus 11. So we can actually replace 20 in this equation with 9 plus 11. So that our equation will now become x squared plus 6x plus 9 plus 11. In so doing, we would not violate the initial concept or the idea of the initial equation. Alright? However, we've been able to achieve an equation that we can easily factorize. Now we can write this to become x squared plus 3x plus 3x plus 9 plus 11. Grouping this together, x is common to both sides. You have x out, bracket, x plus 3. Here, 3 is common to both sides. You have plus 3, bracket out, x plus 3 again, plus 11. X plus 3 here, we'll take 1 as our factor, and we'll take x plus 3 as the second factor, plus 11 here. X plus 3, that gives you x plus 3, all bracket squared, plus 11. This equation here, or this factorization here, resembles x plus a raised to the power 2 plus b that we asked to rewrite to in our opening question.